Hello, so we are going to understand how to create a beautiful slider in Swiper.js, which is this one. So if I just show you a demo, so you can see that if I click next, so the slides are moving towards left and they are going besides a white gradient block, and where you can also notice that the navigation and the pagination remains static, and we can only see this text moving and the images. So the logic is that we created two Swiper sliders. The one is for the images and the other one is for the text, right? And we just use the same classes for both sliders. And when we use the same classes, so it's understood that we can control both sliders from using the same navigation buttons. Let me just show you the structure so you can understand. So there we have the two sliders. So this is the Swiper bottom that we want to keep static. So we don't want this bottom to move with the slides. So that's why we separated this from the sliders. So this is one slider, and we also don't want to move this card with the slider. We just want to move the images, right? So we just want these images to move. That's why we separated, because we have a different behavior for both elements. So this is for the cards and this is for the images, and we have separated this from this Swiper as well, because we also want to keep this static. So we use the same classes, so which is Swiper, and if I click on this, we can also see that it's also Swiper. If I go to the script, which is this one, so you can see that we are using just Swiper class. So if I add a third Swiper slider on my page, and if I use the same class, so when we click next, so that slider will also be controlled using the same button. So that's the most interesting part. So that was the logic, and otherwise it's simple to implement. And if you want to learn that how to create the basic structure and how we can connect the script with the front end, so I recorded 5 videos on this topic where you can learn about creating the structure, connecting the navigation and pagination with the sliders, and other simple concepts, and also the responsiveness. Yeah, that's very important one on different breakpoints. So you will learn a lot about Swiper. So I will also try to make this, I will also make this project clonable so you can use it for yourself in the future projects. And you can also go in and you can learn that how we can create these sliders. So maybe there is another way to create this slider in a better way. So if you know that way, please share with me and I would be happy to learn from you. Thank you.